Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Monday, September the 20th, 2010. Starting off here as usual with our market profiles. And this, of course, is today's profile, and this is Friday's. The one in between is what occurred in the overnight trading session. We were looking at support in around the 18 area. You can see it dipped a little bit below that, got to 17 overnight, opened here in the regular trading hours, and had a nice move higher. Just confirming this continued up auction that we've been in now for, well, it's been over 2 weeks, close to 3 weeks. So that was a good sign. Nothing too dramatic. Everything just seemed to keep working nicely. We also use the regular market profiles that are formed in the regular trading hours in our analysis of the market. Here's our trades for today. You can see that we had some blue arrows here with the dash lines, and we did have one sell that triggered right here that of course we didn't take in such a strong up auction with the green intraday, in other words within the daytime filter. And when it's green like this, of course that means it's bullish. So when we're in intraday up auction and we have an intraday green filter, we do not take any red trades or short trades. So there was no short trade there. Unfortunately, we didn't quite get filled here and here. We actually had the rejection off of the low with a very aggressive trigger. It doesn't show up on our basic mechanical type trade setups, but it was along actually right here, just around 23 early in the session. And then we had another triggering of a long trade here, and you can see the dash line goes along until the price is hit. So you can see here today we had 1, 2, and 3 occasions where we had to buy indications, but the market never did dip to it. So the only one we got filled on was right here, and that worked out well because we're able to participate in at least part of that up move that occurred late in the session. So our traders here today, knowing that we're in an intraday up auction, we had structure confirming it. Some of our traders would have been getting in on this up auction long before we did over here, when we actually did get filled on this trade right in here. So, there was other occasions after the market came in here to give us clues that it would likely be going up. And for example, this rejection off of this bar right here was pretty nice. Another opportunity to get long. So there was other occasions when our traders, knowing the software and getting used to it, would be taking information out of there and knowing exactly when to get in that are not our exactly systematic kind of trades. And that's really what we try and do with our members, so that they're really understanding what the market is doing, and they're developing their market feel with the use of this software. And actually developing to some degree their own trades, or at least getting to the point where they feel that they can go ahead and do that because they really know what the condition of the market is. So, but at any rate, that's really what we're looking at here. We've got initial support around 33, and then below that around 30, and then after that it would come all the way down to about 25. So that's really what we're looking at going forward here, and the up auction continues. So any questions or comments, don't hesitate in getting a hold of us. Always enjoy hearing from you. You can contact us at info@eminidaytrader.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as we possibly can. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.